welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't ever miss an upload from me. And if you're an OD but a goodie, thank you so much for coming back for another video. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys an update on the living room, and I know it has been forever and a day since I filmed a house to home video, but I definitely want to get back into the swing of doing these type of videos because you guys seem to really enjoy them, and I love just updating you guys and letting you know what we have going on. So you guys know we had a lot of renovations that we wanted to do to this house, and we've done a few, but we still have a lot to do. So I'm definitely going to be updating you guys in house to home videos, but I don't really have a lot of renovation updates for this video. I really just wanted to update you as far as the new pieces that we have in here, because I have gotten some new stuff, and anytime that I do a clean with me video, you guys are always interested in where certain things are from. So I just wanted to update you guys and let you know where we got some stuff from and all of that. So yeah, I'm really excited to start doing more videos like this because I just love kind of letting you know what I'm doing in the house. You know, I'm not a professional, but I think it's just really fun to do. So yeah, if you guys like these type of house to home videos, then be sure to let me know and give it a big thumbs up. So yeah, we do still have a lot of renovations that we need to do. It's nothing that we're gonna really be doing quickly, and a lot of the times I wouldn't update you guys because it wouldn't be a huge update, and I felt like it just needed to be something really big for me to update. So if we just changed a light fixture or something like that, I'd just be like, oh, I'm not gonna update them because it's nothing major. So yeah, I think I'm definitely gonna start kind of just updating you guys even when we do small things like that. So in this area, we still need to do our fireplace, but it's been such a headache trying to find somebody to come and put a gas line in and put the fireplace in. Like, that has just been a headache within itself. So yeah, we still need to do that in this space. So you guys will notice that it's an eyesore whenever I do the tour and I'm updating you guys. So yeah, don't mind that. But other than that, I just wanted to let you guys know, you know, where we got some of the pieces from, and just kind of give you guys a few tips on how to update your area for the spring and summer season. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and hop into it. Alright guys, so here's a quick overview of what we have going on in the living room. So for the paint color, we decided to go with Sherwin Repose Gray, and I love this color because it's not too warm, it's not too cool, it's really nice and neutral, very nice and airy. I always get a lot of questions about the sofa, and I purchased it from Z Gallery. I absolutely love it, and this is called the Stella Chase Sectional. This is the two-piece, and I got mine in the color Bella Gray. So they do consider it a custom order, so it took about 8 to 12 weeks, but it's a really nice sofa. It's very comfortable and it's easy to clean, which is definitely what I need with having a toddler. You want to make sure that it's something that's really easy to clean. You just use like a microfiber towel and some type of cleaning solution, and it will get any spot out. So I absolutely love that. So I did get the pillows from Z Gallery as well, except for the fluffy one. I got that from TJ Maxx. And switching out throw pillows is a really easy way to spruce your space up for the different seasons. I love to just change out the throw pillows on my couch. It's just really easy and really simple, and it's a really easy way to add a pop of color to the room as well. And for another sitting space, I decided to add this cuddler chair. It's really nice for getting cozy and watching TV, reading a book, or anything like that. Moving on to the coffee table, I do like to switch things out on here according to the season. Now that I have Uriah, I do keep it a little bit more simple. I don't keep as many glass pieces on it. So the coffee table is actually from Wayfair. I get a lot of questions about it. I got it a few years ago. It's absolutely gorgeous. Now, if you have a kid, it's not going to be the most practical, but we were able to make it work with Uriah during his, you know, pulling up stages and all of that. But yeah, I just like to keep different candles and plants and things like that, and pretty much everything on my coffee table is from TJ Maxx, and the coffee table books are from Amazon. So this rug, y'all, I love this rug so much, and I know so many of you are probably like, girl, are you crazy? You have a white rug with a toddler. Let me tell you the secret to keeping this clean. Scotch guard. You have to Scotch guard it. If you Scotch guard it, it doesn't really matter what gets on it, you will be able to get it out. And I do clean this pretty regularly, so yeah, that's pretty much how I keep the spots down. But it's so gorgeous, and I purchased it from Amazon, so if you guys are interested, I will have a link listed below. So the end tables, I've really had these for such a long time. I think I ordered them from Amazon, but I'm not really sure, but I think I got them from there. And then the angel wings that I have on this end table are from Z Gallery, and I love them so much. I think they're absolutely gorgeous. Now moving on to this back wall. So the mirror is the Axis mirror from Z Gallery, and it's another piece that I've had for such a long time, probably since like 2013. And then I do have this console table that I got from Overstock, really pretty, and I just added a few different pieces to it. So I got the candle holders from Z Gallery, and then the plants are from TJ Maxx, and then I just got a few other little knickknacks from places like Home Goods and stuff like that. So the shelves actually took a little bit of time to get them where I actually like them, and I did have some help from Style by Casanova. So I had everything and I knew what I liked, but I really couldn't figure out how to place it strategically. So she really helped me with that. And I also decided to go with getting some covered books to kind of help fill out the space. And you can get the covered books from Etsy. They'll cover them in any color. They'll do kind of like a designer cover if you'd like. So those smaller books that say like Louis Vuitton and Prada, those are from Etsy. And then the bigger ones, I got those off of Amazon, so those are like the real deal. Those aren't covered ones, but the smaller ones are just covered books that people made for me off of Etsy. This is the other side. As you guys can tell, it just looks really nice. I decided to go with the pop of black to match the interior doors, so I think that looks really gorgeous. And I decided to print some family pictures off from Nation's Photo, and I just think it looks really gorgeous. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you like the house to home videos, then be sure to leave a comment below and let me know what you'd like to see next. I'm pretty sure majority of you are gonna say the master bathroom, and I know I should have updated you guys on that so long ago, but we still haven't completely finished it because we still need base molding, and it's just been something that we procrastinated on, so I didn't want to share it with you guys without everything being completely finished. But I think I'll go ahead and share it with you guys. So yeah, just let me know what you guys want to see as far as the house to home series, and I'll definitely try to do more of these videos for you guys. But I hope you enjoyed this one, and I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye.